The graph of the equation by finding at least 2 points on the line. I'm going to make a table of values here with my x in one column and my y in the other column to get some ordered pairs on the line. I'm going to start with some values. I'm going to choose 0 for x because that's easy to plug in. I'm also going to choose 0 for y because that's easy to plug in. And then I'm going to choose one other value for x. Let's say x equals 1. And I'm going to find the corresponding y values in this equation. So for the first point, when x is equal to 0, we have 4 times 0 plus 7y equals 28, which gives us 7y equals 28. And dividing by 7 gives us y equals 4. So we have the point 0, 4. Now when I plug 0 in for the y coordinate, I get 4x plus 7 times 0 equals 28, which is just 4x equals 28, and dividing by 4 gives us x equals 7. And finally, to find the third point, I'm going to plug the 1 in place of x. 4 times 1 plus 7y is equal to 28. 4 plus 7y equals 28. Subtracting 4, 7y is equal to 24. And then dividing by 7, y is equal to 24 over 7. It doesn't go in evenly, so I'll make it into a mixed number so it might be a little bit easier to graph. So 7 goes into 24 3 times with 3 left over. So 3 and 3/7. So this will be 3 and 3/7. Now we're going to plot each of these points. So we have the point 0, 4. So 0 in the x direction and then 4 in the y direction would be up here. Then we're going to plot the point 7, 0. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the x direction and 0 in the y direction. And then finally we're going to plot the point 1 and 3 and 3/7. And of course we're just going to try to get that as close to 3/7 as possible. So if we go 1 in the x direction, 1, 2, 3, and 3/7 in the y direction, we get a point right about here. And so we can see that these 3 points appear to line up on a straight line. And now to graph the line, we're going to draw the line through these 3 points. So this is the graph of my equation. 4x plus 7y is equal to 28.